Yeah, what's up guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. It's been a while, so but because of the comments I'm receiving from a particular video I've created before now, indicator-based video that keep getting comment reaction, people testifying like what you can see here everywhere in on the screen right now. Because of that, I decided to do something and share it with you guys. So in this video I'm going to be trying to use that same strategy, okay, to grow a very small account, because I know quite a number of people here have smaller accounts like $10, $20, $50, $100, $500 and all that. So but in this video I'm going to be trying to grow a small account, okay, with the proper risk management. Most time when they talk about flipping, a lot of people think it's just do or die, either you blow your account or not. But we are going to be flipping a small account such as $50. Okay, we are going to be taking this $50. The plan is to go 4 times this account or 3 times this account, then withdraw, go again, keep doing a small account. Okay, so the plan is to take this $50 account to $200. Okay, so once we get to $200 or anywhere close to $200, we can now make a withdrawal and do the same thing. So this is because this I've been trading currency. This is weekend, all right, Saturday 21st, okay, if I'm not mistaken, and I'm going to be doing it Saturday and Sunday. So I have 2 days to take this account to $200. Okay, so I will simply wait. Once I get the opportunity, I'm going to enter and record, share with you the process step by step. All right, so I'm going to be sharing with you how the price played out, and give you a little bit of how I manage the trade. So let's see how it goes, guys. So right now you can see my target is going to be $100. Once I hit $100, I'm out of this trade, and we are very close to $100. Once we hit $100, we are out of this trade. So that's basically my target. You can see I've breaking even on this trade. All right, so let me just set it and leave it. So we already closed at 77, so we just needed $23. I guess we needed just $23 to be good, right? So I'll just put it that way. Yeah, this is 97. We have few pips to hitting $100 on this, so let's just watch and see if the price is going to hit our TP or not. So already you can see how I managed the trade by closing 2 positions, just to make sure that at the end of the day we are not losing everything. All right, so and I've break even this trade, and we wait to see the outcome. Finally, we have doubled this account to $100. So you can see everything as TC history. Today this trade took about 20 minutes to play out. This trade took 20 minutes to play out. So what happened is that because it's a small account, when the trade started pushing, we could have made more than 150 in
flip to 150, but because of this particular level, I just want to manage the account. Like, I don't want to just blow it. Whenever you want to flip, you should be ready to lose the whole account and all that, but at the same time, you should at least use common sense and also know how you manage the accounts in terms of making sure that you don't just blow it anyhow, right? That's why I have to close some positions. I entered 3 positions, I closed 2. If you can see right here, I closed 2 at $14 and $12. Then I have to hold the second one. All right, so what I'm trying to do is to show you that it is possible with a small account. All right, we that trade with small accounts, we can still be making money, we can still be eating, we can still be withdrawing. We don't just have to be funding all the time. So I'll still bring back the next how much I'll be able to take this $100 to. All right, so but for now we are done for this one. I'm going to be waiting for the next setup, but just know that our next target should be 200. All right, in the next one. So let's see how it goes, guys. This is the second trade on this account, and I'm on a kind of deep drawdown. So the setup, I got the setup even though the candlestick closed right there was not good, but I made my entry because I just want to stick to the setup. Okay, I don't want to like judge the candlesticks. Maybe judge my entry by the candlestick formation. If you look at this particular candle right there, which is this one, I don't really like the rejection there, but I just need to take the trade based on the setup, right? Just to stick to the plan. So, but because of that, it actually informed my decision of the kind of risk I'm taking here. So I supposed to like risk $50 on this account, maybe targeting 200 or more. But because of this, I'm just going to be risking $20. Okay, and I'll be targeting 50, 70 or $100. It all depends on whatever the price is doing. So if we hit our stop, I'm definitely going to be making sure that I'm not losing more than $20 to $25 on this particular trade. So I'm taking half of the risk I'm supposed to take because of what I saw, the candlestick I saw right there. Okay, so let's see how it goes, guys. So this particular one finally hit stop losses. I think I made a mistake here. Maybe I opened more trades. That is one of the bad side of this trading stuff. You must be very careful. Any small mistake can rule everything. My plan was not to risk more than $20, but unfortunately I've lost more than $30 though. So but it's okay, it's fine, but I just have to be more careful while making my next entry. So my next entry, we are going all out. Once we see a good opportunity, we go all out. Stay tuned. So guys, this is the third trade in this process, and today is Sunday. Okay, so this is Sunday afternoon. So I've already made an entry for 2 trades, and I'm going to be risking about $20 on this trade. All right, the maximum trade risk I'm going to be taking here is $30. The previous trade we took yesterday, the first trade went well, but the second trade didn't go well. All right, the second trade didn't go well, so we were able to grow the account from 50 to 100. Then we lost one trade yesterday, making us bringing us back to 60 something dollars. So now we are making another entry for the day. So let's see how it goes, guys. This is 2 entries. I'm going to be making more entries if the price retraces back. All right, so let's see how it goes. We are down right now, so our plan is to see if we can take this account to $200 or 150. Okay, so for us to withdraw, we want to go times 3 or times 4 of this account. So I'm going to be opening more positions once the price keep retracing back. Okay, so I'll update you guys about this trade.
just observing that I have a flat battery, so I might not be able to record this trade completely, but I'll still bring you back the outcome and history. So guys, this trade actually closed in profit. Remember, I added one more position. My phone actually went off, so I could not like screen record everything, but from here you can see my entry right here. So I entered two positions where I was risking $25, $25. Then I was targeting 50. At the same time, when the price retraced back a little bit to this level, I actually made another entry and I decided to leave that trade to run. Okay, so at this point I closed here at $25, and this one I held it to about 60 something dollars. Okay, I just closed now before making this video. All right, if you look at the balance right now, we have 183. So we were able to take this account from 70 to 183. So remember this thing there is straight account if I want. So all we have to do now is to, relax for the day. I think I just took 3 trades brought us here. We won the first trade, lost the second trade, and this is the third trade. You can see how I manage the trade. When I make entry, I always make 3 entries. I'll close 2 first, then hold 1 to run. The 2 that I close is like a backup that actually helped me, so that I won't be pressured to close the trade on time or anything like that. So it's also a strategy which you can actually apply when you are flipping an account. You can open multiple positions. If the price moves to some certain point, maybe 1:3 or 1:2, you close some positions and you break even and hold the rest to run. That's the strategy I use in flipping this account. So you can see I'm at 183. So I think I'm pretty much done with this. So if you want me to share this particular strategy again, okay, if you want me to share it again, just leave a comment in this video. But before then, like this video and share to someone who you think might have a very small account and would like to move this account from something like $50, $20, $10 to something significant. So I'm the type that don't want to try to flip this account from 180 to 1000, all those things. For me, at the end of the day, you will start feeling like a superman and you blow the account. So once you flip the account, maybe triple your accounts or times 4 your account, just make a withdrawal and start again. It gets to a point where you have stacked a lot of money that you can actually start doing that kind of thing. But if you start doing it now, you just start feeling like superman. Maybe you won 3 trades at maybe 3 trades in a row, or something like that. Then you over leverage and you blow the whole money. So the best thing is you close and withdraw. Then you can actually go again, do it like 3, 4, 5 times before you start taking that kind of risk of, okay, you want to take $50 to $1000. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you want me to share with you the full video and the setup for this indicator. Bye for now guys, enjoy.